Hi guys, so this week we are talking about stop motion animation. What is stop motion animation, you ask? Let me show you.
Where deep inside of these bones an emptiness began.
Stop motion, sometimes called stop frame, is an animation technique that's existed for over 100 years. Filmmakers realized early on that they could create amazing illusions by stopping and starting their cameras. Objects, clay, puppets, and even people can be animated. The principles are always the same. Place something in front of a camera and take a picture. Move it slightly and take another picture. Do this a bunch more times. When you string these images together, the object appears to move. Typically, 12 frames create 1 second of stop-motion animation. By varying the amount you change the object between frames, you can make it appear to move slower or faster. This is the most basic principle of animation, because they have so many moving.
All right, so that's basically stop motion animation where the animation is made up of a whole bunch of tiny pictures where in the picture an object is moving. It looks like it's moving because after every single picture taken, the object is moved slightly and then another picture is taken and then the object is moved a little bit more and the picture's taken and a little bit more, picture, move it, picture. Okay, so there's this it's a whole bunch of different frames for one movie. Now, if you watch any claymation type movies, like The Nightmare Before Christmas, all of that is done through stop motion animation. So the people had to move each object hundreds of thousands of times. No need to worry. We are not making a top dollar movie production. We are making something on Google Slides. Now let me show you some of your resources for this project. Now, the whole purpose of the project is to create a stop motion animation based on the book How to Catch a Leprechaun. Okay, so your animation is going to be about a leprechaun who gets caught. Okay, so in our planning pages, there's 4 steps to this project. Your first step is to think about how you will trap the leprechaun using at least one simple machine. The animation will tell a short story, right? Or show about your idea below. Now, to figure out what type of simple machine you want your leprechaun to have trouble and get caught with, you will go to the Simple Machines information and you can read up on information on simple machines, okay? There's the lever, the pulley, the inclined plane. The screw, the wedge, the wheel and axle, and then here are some objects that you could potentially use, okay? Other objects that you could use for your animation. But if we go back to our planning pages, you will see that on slide number 3, there is an example of stop motion, okay? So he uses a lever, which is the seesaw, to try to get the coins, and then the coins hit the cage and the leprechaun ends up getting caught inside the cage, and the fox catches him, okay? Not the coins. The fox cuts the line with the pulley, okay? So there's a simple machine here, there's the lever here, and there's the wedge here, okay? So this is basically the type of animation that you will be creating, and on the next video, you will see exactly how you are going to put it all together. And you will be putting it all together here on the How to Catch a Leprechaun Google Slides, where your name is posted, where there's where I made a copy for all of you.